What is the integral of x divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx? Please kindly like my videos, share, comments, and follow me for us to build the mathematics community. Now, how do we solve the integral of x divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx in a very simple way? Let's see how we do it. We can rewrite this integral as the integral x divided by 1 plus x squared all squared dx. Please kindly like, share, and follow me for us to build the mathematics community. Now, we can write our integral as x divided by what? Dx. So let's see. If we let x squared to be equal to u and differentiate u with respect to x, then we have 2x dx equals du. Now we have du divided by 2x equals dx. So we have 1 plus u squared, since u represents x squared and the x squared is also squared. That's why we've written 1 plus u squared. And we have dx to be equal to du divided by 2x. So here x cancels x, and we can factorize 1 out of 2 out. To get 1 out of 2 times the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus u squared u, the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus u squared u is a standard integral, and it is equal to tangent inverse of u. Check the description to get the video on how to integrate this standard integral. You can also check it from the comment section. You get the link. Now u equal to x squared. So now we have tangent inverse of x squared plus c. Tangent inverse is the same as arctangent. Hence, our answer becomes half of arctangent of x squared plus c. Please kindly like, follow, share, and comment for us to build the mathematics community.